it drained it down to zero. And now it's dead. I don't normally do review videos. I've done a couple, but didn't even like them and didn't publish them. But it's not much of a review. There's plenty of reviews out there. It's more of a heads up. The most important thing I can tell you about this is don't ever let it get down to zero. Now, I have a couple of friends that have these that haven't had problems. One has told me that he's run his down several times, and it's okay, it's working. Now, this one was apparently run down to zero and is no longer functioning. I was using this to run a refrigerator, and it had gotten low. However, I had plugged it into the house battery, so essentially it should have been drawing off of that and been able to complete its job with running the refrigerator. Unfortunately, it did not. It drained it down to zero. And now it's dead. Basically what happens is you turn it on, and then the dead battery light will appear up here, and then it shuts off. Now what's going on is this system comes with two batteries. You buy it, it comes with this piece, and then you pull the plate off of the bottom and add this additional $250 battery to make this unit. $300 piece here is what is broken. This $250 battery is still fine. So what I did was I plugged it back into 110 volt, and I've charged it up, and it goes up to 50%. And then it will no longer take a charge. And the reason why that is because this secondary battery is just fine, but the first battery is dead and will not take a charge, rendering this device a boat anchor. So for $660, I give this thing a big, huge thumbs down, because it should have a safety feature, not just up and die like that. There are several videos out there that I've watched that have encountered this same problem. One was just 5 months ago, and this person is in the process of sending the unit back to get another one. There are Amazon reviews that discuss this product doing the same thing. In fact, I'll put an image over here of a fellow that it's the same exact thing. Question is, will I replace this? The answer is no. Upgraded my RV with a new 3,000 watt power inverter, and that handles every device I need. And I have a smaller unit, a 240 unit up, and what I'm going to do is, instead of replacing this unit, I am going to buy one of the small generators, because, like it or not, a generator is still very helpful during the winter months when it's cloudy out, because there were periods of time where, even though I had the 240 and this one fully charged up, to try and continue living on the RV with limited solar coming in, these guys just weren't cutting it. So to have the other generator, I can plug in the RV and just run off of it. So anyhow, that's my comments on using this device. It is a good device. I did like having this unit, but it's a shame. It's sad. $660, and it doesn't have a safety feature. If you have one, make sure you keep your eyes on it. Don't let it go down to lower percentages. Keep the thing charged. So I'm off to buy I'm off to buy a generator, a quiet generator, and I doubt I'll do a review on it. Peace and love, you guys.